Hello, this is my free sample by WANDF. So mine is color, this is a gym bag, mine is color mint green. And I like it because here I can put my yoga mat when I go to the gym, and this will lock inside the yoga mat like this. So it has the pockets here for the bottle of water. It has two mesh pockets, two internal pockets. As you can see, it's very big and spacious. So it has here another internal pocket. I like it also because it's water resistant. So here for the keys, but here you can put your shoes, your gloves, your weights, and it has another internal pocket in here that you can put different things. I like it. Here it has another pocket, and it's very spacious and very beautiful. I hope you check it out, and thank you for watching.